Hello, this is question 5 on your OCR paper 1 from June 2022, the AES paper. You have the gradient of a curve is given by this function here. The curve passed the point 620, and we have to determine the equation of the curve. So what we're going to do is to find y, we are going to integrate, because integrate is the opposite of differentiate. So y is going to be the integral of the derivative function. So x squared minus 3x dx, which is x to the power of 1 more, 3 divided by the new exponent, 3 minus 3x to the power of 1 more, divided by the new exponent, plus c. And we are going to use this information to find the constant of integration, because when the x is 20, when the x is 6, the y is 20. So we are going to substitute the y by 20 and the x by 6. So we have 6 cubed divided by 3 minus 3 times 6 squared divided by 2 plus c, and from here c is just this value minus this one plus this one, which is 2. Therefore, the function is going to be x cubed divided by 3 minus 3x squared divided by 2 plus 2. Yeah, and that's the function that you're looking for. B, hence, determine the integral of y, so the integral of this function, I wrote plus c, no, plus 2, between 1 and p, and we have to live in terms of p. So we have the integral between 1 and p of x cubed divided by 3 minus 3x squared divided by 2 plus 2 dx. So this is x to the power of 4 divided by 4, but I have a 3 as well, so I'm going to multiply 4 times 3 and I have 12. You can do it in 2 steps if you prefer, but it's relatively easy. So x to the power of 3 multiply by 3 halves and divide by 3. So the 3 cancel and I have x to the power of 3 divided only by 2. And then plus 2x. And I'm not going to add the plus c because it's a definite integral. So what I'm going to do is to substitute the limits. I'm going to substitute the p first. So I have p to the power of 4 divided by 12 minus p to the power of 3 divided by 2 plus 2p minus, and I'm going to substitute the 1. So 1 over 12 minus 1 half plus 2. Just substituting the 1 in all the expression. And I like writing the minus and the brackets because when we have more than one term, it's quite easy to forget one of the signs. So this is p quarters, p to the power of 4 over 12 minus p to the power of 3 over 2 plus 2p, and then all this number is 19 over 12, all this. So this is minus 19 over 12. And that's the integral in terms of p. Yeah, that's the second part of the question. And that's all with this question.